Hello everybody, I'm your local StreamCon, and today we will be going through all of the files that you see here. This is the entirety of Crostini, Chrome OS's Linux container, and we will be clearing it. So yeah, I can just delete this first, but regardless, I'm going to be going through and deleting everything. There's nothing in that folder. There's nothing in that folder. Ooh, we got something. We actually got something. Alright. Interesting. Well, that's empty, so we don't need that. And, well, we can delete that too. I don't even know what that stands for, so we can delete that. I'm not going to delete temp just in case. I mean, it's just temporary files. Doesn't really matter. System. Ooh, this is where the good stuff is. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, that's some devices. Binary. Okay. Wait a second. Hold it. Wait. Wait. Okay, whatever. So let's see. With what we've deleted, not login. Okay. With what we've deleted, what's the difference now? What's gonna happen? Oh, that don't look good at all. Oh god, what happened? Okay, so the terminal ain't booting. I'm going to have to figure out how to solve that, but whatever. That's a problem. That was really fast, actually. So I found, well, I did a little bit of looking into it, and I found, look here. Do you see Crostini anywhere? No, that's because it's non-existent anymore. But just for further proof here, I had to go through the Crosh container in order to actually, oh, whoops, wrong command. I had to go through the Crosh thing to be able to actually get in. And as you can see, it says that the container doesn't exist. So Penguin is dead. Completely dead. I killed it. But I'm not finished yet because I didn't delete enough. So I was able to actually, well, firstly, just for proof, it still doesn't boot. I wasn't able to solve that. It crashes on start, but I was able to get into a terminal command through termina. And then, oh, it's already running. Okay, and then you can actually execute bash as root. If I try to log in as my user account, it will say it failed to execute that, and I looked over the footage previously and realized that my problem was I actually did delete the bin folder. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. But I can still do it from here, so I'm not done yet. I'm going to delete everything else. Like, I have still tons to delete that took no time. So, yeah, I'm not done yet. I don't feel satisfied, so yeah, we're gonna go through here. But, my hopes is to attempt to unlock my user account, because I'm doing this from root right now. It automatically, logs in as root. So, let's see what we can do here, honestly. Alright, so as you can see, everything's there, and, by the way, I did back up my user files prior, but, yeah, it's all there. Woohoo. Oh, wait, mount? Oh, yeah, my actual files are mounted. I should probably, unmount those. So, while I was at it, I decided to do a little bit of extra work to try and get that user account working. So firstly, I went into this file here. These are all of the files that it can load on startup, and as you can see, there are more of them. I've only deleted one, so as you can see, the first one that it logs into by user doesn't exist, but this one does here. So, if I go to this file, this is all the user accounts on it. And if you can see, there's my user accounts right there. So if I change this user account to have the same credentials as the root account, including changing the name to be that still, and changing it to start at the path for my files, the home directory, and change the startup to be the exact same startup location as root, then I save it, and now all I have to do is log in as my user account, and ta-da! It works. All my files are accessible. It is logged in as my user account, not root. Now, if I exit all of these and just get out of Crosh real quick, you can still see that regardless of me getting it working, it still oddly doesn't boot the terminal, which I find really strange. That's just still really, really strange. What I find even more interesting here is if I log back into Crosh and I just enter the actual terminal and I list the current containers, Penguin exists and it is running, which I find really, really weird because the components said that, well, it didn't exist, so I find that really weird. So, from here on out, we can now log in using all the previous commands that I've been using to try and actually get this working in my own user account. And now, let us get started, shall we? So, here we are, back in NCDU, and yeah. Oh, by the way, one other mildly interesting thing. Like I said, I backed up everything there, but just wanted to let everybody know that. So yeah, I guess it's time to get started. So let's pop into this one here. I'm not even sure what this is, but we've got a crap ton of system files here. Some are even accessible. Okay, so yeah. And then we've got the dev folder, which I'm assuming is... This is all the container stuff, isn't it? And then we've got the run folder, okay. And the user folder. Alright, this is definitely where we're going to start here. We've got Wine here. I did install Wine prior. This one is hogging up my storage. Oh wait, am I not allowed to delete that? No, I gotta log into root. Never mind. So the point of me getting my user account was actually kind of pointless, not gonna lie. Sorry about that. Alright, back here. Let us delete Wine already. It's just slaughtering my storage space over here, so we're done with it, honestly. Who needs it? And just for a tester. So let's look at my files here. Let's try and run Wine and see what happens. Yeah, cannot execute, required file not found. So we have destroyed Wine, 100%, just an immediate start here. Wine is gone. So, yeah, there's step one. So now, what else do we got in the libraries? These must be, well, those must be, the libraries for the, like, the actual architecture we're using. So, we got a lot of files here. So libllvm. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's just a library for the virtual machine. The compiler infrastructure project builds on libraries provided and by that and Clang. Okay. So who needs that? OpenBLAS pthread. I'm sure what that is. Might be some CPU thread thing. Wrong dry. Direct rendering infrastructure. I like that. I like that. Ooh. That sounds fun. Alright, well, I guess we'll keep it. I'm just gonna delete all the files here when I can. Perl? Oh, I know what that is. I don't really need it. I installed that. Streamer. Open source multimedia framework. Okay. I guess it's for audio and video stuff. SMB networking. Alright. I've never even used SMB before. I don't even need that. Sane. Sane? Really? Scanner access now easy. What? Okay. VDPOW. Video Decode and Presentation API for Unix. That's a mouthful. Do I have the right thing? Ooh, Intel Media Software? What? Okay. We've got Intel compatibility here. Wait, okay. I don't get that. I can't even pronounce this. Storage platform. Storage platform. Oh boy, if I destroy that, I'll just destroy the whole thing. It's called to convert one block of text. Nice. That's super totally useful. Okay. At this point, I'm just deleting all the files here in between the folders. Linear algebra package. We've got algebra here. Or not. I don't really want algebra. This something. Wine, oh boy, more. Oh wait, this is the same wine. Okay, well, that's gone now. System D. Software suite. Basically, the system components of Linux. Ooh. Perl base, that's just gonna be Perl. Image magic. Oh boy, I hate that thing. Yeah, I thought so. Virtualization technology. That's gonna be for the actual, like, maybe my virtual machine. Yeah. Oh, by the way, just to show off, the image magic over there. That's what I hated. All the friggin' bloatware. Perl. Handling audio and video. Alright, that's cool, I guess. Single packet authorization. Wait, what? Okay, Android. Oh, that must be for the Android stuff I was doing. What else we got here? Ukemu. Bye. I don't even care at this point. Security? Ooh, security. The next generation GNU profiling. Alright, how much of this is left? Oh my god. Alright. So we're gonna be here for a while. Alright, so how about we just delete everything but the folders? Because, like, at this point, you know. So, chat. How's your day? Crypt setup. That's what it's doing right now, it's setting up its crypt. Alright, finally, we're at these weird app files here. How much is left? Oh, still quite a bit. Alright, so that concludes the rest of the files here. We got quite a bit of stuff deleted. So, yeah, let me just get rid of those. So, yeah, that concludes that. We've got a lot done here. Shall we reboot the system? See if it boots? Should we even look at i3? No. Alright. And as per expected, it doesn't even... Alright, so there goes Pseudo. It's dead. Alright, so since that doesn't work, let's try NeoFetch, just to see if actually applications won't... Nope. Applications don't boot. Alright, let's exit out of that. Dirt doesn't even work. Oh my god, we can't even change the directory. But wait, CD works. Okay. We can't log back into root. Okay, except... Wait, can we log back in, or log back into the... No, we can't. We can't even finish this. Alright, that looks like a wrap, everybody. That's gonna be it. We've literally deleted everything so that we cannot even, start that. I'm now questioning, actually. Can we, and delete files? No, we can't. Oh, wait, wrong command. Can we delete files that... Alright, so that's gonna be it. That's it. And I made the laughable mistake of logging out, of the terminal, but as you can see here, it can't find the command. That's it. It's done. We have literally completely destroyed it. It can't start. Huh. Hang-gun? Hang-gun? And by the way, something a little extra I want to show is this. The files are gone. Which is odd, but even odder is the fact that it says that there's still storage space being used. And if I even try to show hidden files, there's literally nothing. It has officially been disconnected from the terminal, or the virtual machine. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that concludes Linux. GG. Let's shut down for the last time. Goodbye, Linux. You are gone forever. Unless... Wait a second. I'm very curious now what the terminal is gonna do. Never mind, it was a hoax from the beginning. Container start failed, error 15. Error 15, okay. Well, if anyone wants to tell me what that means in the comments or whatever, that would be cool. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Take care. Goodbye. Well, that's a wrap. Right. Yeah, wait a second. I'm just remembering now. The Linux apps. The Linux apps. Oh boy, what happens if I start it? Oh, I gotta start the terminal first, though. And it was a hoax again. I just noticed the app closed. Okay, let's try my virtual machine thingy, I guess. Let's see what happens. And it just closes, yeah. Alright.